I'm eating 7 meals in 31 days. That's it. And you might think I'm crazy, and so do I. Here is the plan. Now you're probably wondering the why, or if it's even possible. Well, number 1, I am fat. Number 2, autophagy. Basically, when your body eats itself. Autophagy, from Greek for self-devouring, is a natural cellular process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates newer, healthier cells. Yes, autophagy, the body's cellular cleanup process, is generally good for you, as it recycles damaged parts, provides energy, fights infection and protects against diseases like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, cancer and diabetes. Number 3, as a reset, insulin resistance and self-control. Sometimes it's good to put yourself into check, have a fast, have a reset, sort out your insulin, sort your life out, stop being fat, because look at you, you've become a mess, you've done it again. So, it's simple. 72-hour fast, followed by 1 day, 24 hours where I'm allowed to eat. On the feeding day, I eat the same thing, 0.5 kilos of minced beef, broccoli, beef stock cube to restart the stomach, fasting. Don't want my stomach to slow down on the Retatrutide, on the Reta. Here are my day 1 stats. And yeah, I'm leaving the volume on of my girlfriend recording me for the stats. Yeah.
No. No.
Stay strong, Brad. Stay strong. All you gotta do is just not have one little bite. Do not have a bite. Just pass it to your girlfriend. That's all you gotta do. Next challenge: do not eat your son's leftovers. Today I am feeling good. It is Monday, and that means tomorrow is the first refeed day. Right. It's freezing cold. Feeling strong. Making myself a black coffee. Going strong. Not really hungry. How do I feel? Feel quite good. Excited tonight for cooking. Finished gym, had a good session, just about to have my first bite since Friday 6 p.m, and then today's Tuesday 6:20 a.m. Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Today something. Today is Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I don't know. Yesterday was the first refeed day. It actually made me hungrier than I thought. I think the Reta keeps the hunger off, but then if you eat, it actually then makes you think about food, so I ended up hungrier. So today I feel less hungry than I did yesterday after eating. It seemed to, I ate that tray for, the one tray for breakfast, the other beef and broccoli tray after dinner time, around 1 p.m, and then by around 6 or 7 p.m, well, probably around 5 or 6 p.m, which would probably be my usual time for eating my dinner, I went very hungry and it was quite difficult. Struggled, I nearly cheated. Thought, why am I doing this? Thought about my life. Then told myself, power through, you can do it. It is Wednesday and I'm going to next eat Saturday. So 3 on, 4 off. I worked out as well. But the scale this morning, 17.7.9, I will put on somewhere here the weight in kilograms and pounds. That means I think I am just under 1 stone. But the Americans are thinking, 1 stone? What the hell is 1 stone? I finally figured out the date. It's Wednesday the 7th. I'm just waiting for my dad to go to the gym. Time is 5:50 AM. Just come out to the gym and I feel pumped. I feel, you know, you get that nice blood flow. You look in the mirror and you think, what a man, what a man. But anyway, I am now starving. So my plan is to drink some water and hopefully that mitigates it. Going to the gym in the morning, I am going to have to suffer through the hunger afterwards. Oh, I've got heartburn as well for some reason. I'm hoping because I'm still in a fasted state and I've finished the gym, that because I'm not having protein, I'm hoping there's no muscle loss. But I'm hoping because I'm using the muscle, I'm keeping my electrolytes up. I'm having the protein once every, like I said, 4 days, which I could probably do with some more protein, especially over the duration of the fast. But because I'm using 3-day fasts, it is quite muscle sparing. So we'll see. We shall see, and let's see if I can get through the day. At work, it must be because I'm running off the ketones. My energy, absolute peak performance. I could just work and work and work and work. My brain seems to be functioning a lot better. I seem to be faster, sharper, stronger, better. When I finished work and I went lethargic, heartburn, and then I started to feel a little lightheaded. So I added some more pink Himalayan salt, a bit of no salt, water. The girlfriend got me a sugar-free zero Pepsi Max. Had that. It didn't seem to help. And then I just had another boost of energy, and I've been working ever since. The girlfriend's gone to bed. I've non-stop worked. It's now 12:30 on a night. I feel alert. I feel like I could just carry on all night. But obviously I've got to be up in 4.5 hours. I've had some dips and moments where I thought, should I really be going this far? Should I really be sticking to the full month of January and maybe beyond, or should I just do half a month? But then I thought, I'm not going to listen to the inner bitch anymore, and I'm just going to fucking smash it. Surprisingly, I feel great still. It is day 2, so it is Thursday today. Obviously I ate on Tuesday, been fasting since, and I've started to think that maybe humans are supposed to fast in the winter when obviously there's not as much veg. So humans are supposed to basically hunt, fast, eat the meat, eat the protein, eat the fat. They burn through the fat. And something I found out today, which was really interesting, is that when you burn fat, your body releases the vitamin D that it stored during the summer. So I've got a low mood. Oh, it's winter. And I've always just been a bit down. I've always just not liked winter. But honestly, I feel great. I feel amazing. My brain is sharp. Energy is through the roof all day. I don't have slumps. I don't. Retatrutide. The Reta is I think keeping the hunger at bay, but also I know I've looked into it through previous fasts, and you get your ghrelin, I think it's called ghrelin drops, and you end up in like hunter mode, so you don't actually feel as hungry as you think. And I thought eating might have ramped that back up, but then I think the Reta is sorting that issue. So it's actually, so far it's been quite easy. As I've been struggling, I'm going to start cooking tomorrow's meal prep. Which might sound counterintuitive, but I know that if I eat any of my meal prep, then I will have less food tomorrow. And plus I'm going to be doing something rather than just sitting there thinking, I could eat a kebab. Instead, I'm going to be cooking, and sometimes when you cook, you don't feel like the food afterwards anyway, so. I'll try and mix it up. I did part of an hot dog.
I got that yum yum in my tum tum. Gotta get some.
It is 1 PM Saturday, and I've just gone lethargic. I've ate all my beef, all my broccoli. I didn't even do any recordings of me eating it. I'll just input an empty tray picture here. Yeah, just feeling tired. I feel like today's going to be a struggle. I feel like I could eat a lot more food. Let's just see what happens. Let's see if this challenge is even possible, and I'll just keep trying to soldier on.
Wait a
You may be
minute!
wondering why this scale has actually gone up. That is because last night, after that lethargic episode, I ate some duck. I tried to go carb free, but I'm a little disappointed, but I'm going to soldier on. It is Sunday the 11th. Sunday the 11th. Sunday the 11th. Day 7. Today's Sunday. I should be doing some more recording, but I've ended up working. I've had quite a busy day. As for how I'm feeling, quite good. Energy's good. Hunger, I've got none. I struggled a bit over the last few days. It's been a bit I've had difficult troughs, and then I've had periods like this where you just switch off, don't think about the food. And yeah, it's gone quite well. I plan to do some more recording to catch up with the editing because I'm going to release a 10-day update, and that's going to be my first YouTube video. So a third of the way through, 3 videos for the month. Yeah, let's get it. Day 9. Day 9. It is Monday. Day 9. I've got my snake juice, so let's see what happens with that. Let's see if I'm affected with the extra electrolytes. And my car stinks of milk. My son has dropped it somewhere, so always a good sign. But I am feeling good. Let's see how it goes. Let's get it. Well, we've got this situation. Finished work now. On the way to the girlfriend's, and to be honest, I feel good. I haven't had my electrolytes. I did forget my water this morning, which I found instead. I've ended up living on black coffee, straight black coffee, no sugar, no milk, obviously. Energy-wise, all good. Feel full energy, to be honest. Strangely, I am looking forward to a nice jug of water when I get back. Bit of pink Himalayan salt, bit of no salt. You know what I mean? I'm looking forward to it for some reason. I suppose when you haven't got food to look forward to, you gotta look forward to something. But overall, feeling good. I can't believe tomorrow I'm a third of the way through, and I'm looking forward to do the final 1/3 of the way, 10-day weigh-in, and that's how I'm going to break down the YouTube video. So I'm going to do 3 episodes, 3 videos, and see the progress in between each one. And it's what we have been waiting for, day 10. I'm going to be putting the stats on the screen so you can see how the results have been over the last 10 days. First, let's get some body shots.